Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Nikita Deseja, the voice behind the Dream Institute of Knowledge. The motive behind this channel is to explain BDS topics in a very simple manner so that the backbenchers, the student like me, can easily understand. If you like my content, then please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Our today's topic is renal physiology, and we are going to study a very important function of our body, that is excretion, which is performed by a pair of organ called as kidney. What is excretion? Excretion is a process by which unwanted waste and metabolic waste are eliminated from a body. It is a process by which unwanted waste and metabolic waste is eliminated from our body. So excretion is performed by a renal system, and renal system includes kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. What kidney does? It produces the urine, whereas ureters transports the urine from kidney to urinary bladder, and urinary bladder stores the urine, and from which the urethra excretes the urine from urinary bladder to outside of our body. What are the functions of kidney? There are total 5 functions of a kidney. First, homeostasis. Second, hemopoietic. Third, endocrine. Fourth, blood pressure regulation. And fifth, blood calcium level regulation. Then how kidney performs a very important function of our body, which is homeostasis. So, it does it by doing 5 things. First, excretion of waste products. It excretes urea, uric acid, creatinine and bilirubin from our body through urine. Then it maintains water balance by reabsorbing water from the renal tubules. It maintains the electrolytic balance by retaining and eliminating sodium. So, when water osmolarity decreases, the sodium retention occurs, and when water osmolarity increases, sodium elimination occurs. It also maintains the acid-base balance, which also helps in the homeostasis function of the kidney. So, how it maintains the acid-base balance? It maintains the pH of the body and body fluids and thus prevents acidosis. Then the second function of kidney is hemopoietic function. According to this, kidney produces an hormone called as erythropoietin hormone. This hormone is responsible for the increased production of RBC. Then third function of kidney is endocrine function. According to this function, kidney secretes various hormones such as erythropoietin, thrombopoietin, renin, calcitriol and prostaglandin. Now, fourth function of kidney is blood pressure regulation. So, how kidney maintains the blood pressure? It maintains the blood pressure by regulating the extracellular fluid volume and through a mechanism called as renin-angiotensin mechanism. Now, fifth function of kidney is blood calcium level regulation. Now, how kidney regulates the blood calcium level? As we know, kidney secretes a hormone called as calcitriol. So calcitriol gets activated into vitamin D, and vitamin D increases the absorption of calcium from the intestine. This is how kidney regulates the blood calcium level.